Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader in XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for a regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now. And if we look at the forex sentiment meter here, you'll find it on my website abhilashuzarika.com under the forex 101 section. In the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 43% retail traders are on the sell side and 56% are on the buy side. So retail traders are also confused right now in which direction the gold is moving or gold will be moving. Okay, we do not have a clear direction from the sentiment meter. The sentiment meter also looks confused. The retailers also looks confused right now. And today Federal Chair Powell speaks again. So be careful with the volatility of the market. Okay, and if you look at the chart of DXY, then we can see that DXY overall the bullish setup of DXY is still intact, but right now DXY is sideways. Okay, if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then you can see that DXY is sideways right now. I have already talked in detail about the important levels of DXY. Just keep in mind, as long as DXY is trading above 97, okay, DXY will remain bullish. Okay, right now DXY is sideways. Clear? And here is our beloved goals chart. Yesterday, though, we saw some sell-off for some time, but overall, there is not much movement, not much volatility, craziness on the chart of gold right now. The current market price is 1922. 1922 is the current market price here, and the most important levels that I have already discussed in my previous videos are still the same. The most or the strongest support on the chart of gold is still 1895 as of now, and the strongest resistance on the chart of gold is 1950. So if gold comes to the level of 1895 and if we see price rejection from below, or if you see hammer kind of a pattern, you will get the confirmation that yes, 1895 is still a very safe zone. Buyers are still present and you can go for a buy. And on the other hand, if market reaches the 1950 level and if you see price rejection from above, or if you see market is facing selling pressure around 1950, that will also give you the confirmation that sellers are present. Sellers वहाँ पे मौजूद है, and you can take a sell position as well. But for the day trading purpose, we need to move to the lower time frame because right now there is not much movement. So as a result, for day trading purpose, we need to take help of the 15 minutes time frame. And you can see that right now we have many levels. Okay, before I proceed, I would like to mention that probably you know that I am on a mission. Okay, and recently I have started the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. So if you really want to learn, if you really want to take up trading as a serious profession, as a serious stable source of income, then you can check out the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. And the main reason behind starting this is that because when I started trading around 8-9 years ago, I had no one to teach me, and still the classes are very costly. And right now we know it very well that things have changed. We want to learn, but we do not have the access to the classes. Okay, and this is the main reason I have started it. If you want to learn, then you can check out this page. Okay, I have mentioned everything in detail. And if you are looking for signals, then I have also launched the world's most cheapest signal service. Okay, so you can see that this is it. Okay, and I have mainly focused on quality here right now. Okay, so with time, okay, I'll keep on introducing new things so that you all can become an independent trader. Okay, so let's get started with the gold chart now. So 1950 is the strongest resistance and 1895 is the strongest support for the market right now. Next level that is important for gold is 1940. You can see that around 1940 level, okay, we have already seen strong price rejection from above. If you have watched my previous video, then you know that I have already talked in detail. Okay, so 1950, then 1940. Okay, these two are the important levels, and you can expect price reversal, price rejection. You can take a sell position. And then we have got 1930 here, 1930 also. If market goes up from here, you can expect selling pressure around 1930. If you see shooting star kind of a pattern, if you see bearish pin bar or anything of that sort, you can take a sell position around 1930 as well. But in comparison to 1950 and 1940, 1950 or 1940 की तुलना में 1930 is weak. Okay, so these two are the strongest. So this is the strongest, 1950, then comes 1940, then comes 1930. These are the levels, important levels for the market right now. If market goes up, if market goes down, then we have got 1910, okay, and then 1895. 1895, and we can also say around 1900 to 1905 also we can expect some reversal. Let me explain why. First of all, see, we also have a minor support around 1960 level, but no need to trust it. Okay, if you want to take some risk, if you have the risk capital, risk लेने की अगर इच्छा है, then you can go for it. 1960 level. But otherwise, if you are looking for good levels for day trading, then 1910, 1910 should be your level. You can expect price reversal. If price comes to 1910 and if you see price bouncing, you can go for a buy. Why I'm saying this? Because overall, if you look at the chart of gold, okay, then you'll see in the higher time frame also market is very much sideways. So 1910 is an important level for day trading purpose. And I have already mentioned that 1895 is the strongest support in the market. And I have also talked about 1900. Yes, you have heard me saying 1900 to 1905. Why this level, or why did I talk? मैंने क्यों इसके बारे में बात किया? 1900. Okay. 1900, 1850, 1800, these round figures are also called as psychological levels. Okay, these round figures are more or less they work as psychological support and level, psychological support and resistance in the market. So you can expect, okay, under normal market circumstances, if there is no news in the market, you can expect market to bounce from 1900 level as well. And moreover, we also have the 200 moving average on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so therefore you can expect some kind of action around 1900 level as well. Too many levels. Okay, if you have failed to understand, watch the video again. Just keep in mind, overall the chart of the gold is very much towards the upside, and as we all know that when the war between Russia and Ukraine started, market gold started flying, but market digested the war news. After that we saw some heavy correction, but if we look at the present trend, अगर हम present trend को ध्यान दें, तो right now market is sideways. Therefore we can expect selling at the resistance, and we can also expect buying at the support as well, because area of value in a sideways market, the area of value is at both support and resistance. Okay, so hopefully I've understood. Bye bye, take care.